Okay, so I'm going to show you how we shred our papaya. So you have your green papaya here, okay? And what you want to do is you want to cut the edge here and the tip there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cut my edge here, turn around, and cut the tip. So then we toss that. Then I have this gadget here. And you can buy them from Amazon, but I really love them because they're like one step to complete. Otherwise, the old way is to use the peeler and then you want to chop all the way. So that's like multiple steps. I just like one easy step. So this is a really great tool to have. You can use on your carrots and your cucumber and other things. All right, let's go ahead and start peeling our outer peel first, the outer layer, because we won't eat them. So just take them. You see the shred here, it comes out. So that's going to be trash. And just keep on going around, clean it off like this. You know, sometimes if you find like this papaya have a lot of sap and and it gets slippery and you want to stop it from being slippery, I actually put a towel, kitchen towel underneath, and it helps actually. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So keep on shredding. And you can get this green papaya from any Asian market. I've seen some at Sprouts and Trader Joe's sometime, but make sure it's really green and hard. We don't want soft. We don't want orange or yellow papaya because then it gets mushy. So just keep going. Okay, you'll see some of these just come back to the top and start trimming it like this. Make sure that all the green, the peel is gone. Okay, looks like I'm almost done. All right, perfect. So it should look like this. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and wash it. And remove that. Put it in my sink. Whoops, see, slippery, told you. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it with cold water. Okay. And what I like is to get like a paper towel to kind of soak the excess water, prevent from being more slippery. So here we go, all soaked. And if you have a large tray, that's when you would want to bring it to put your papaya on. Okay, let me go ahead and rinse my shredder. All right, with this peel, I'm just gonna start shredding. And you want to start one and keep on going around in circulation. Okay, and your papaya. You're gonna keep on going until you get to the very inner part of this papaya where you see the seeds, and that's when you stop. So with this small papaya, you can probably make at least 4 papaya salad. Cutting, holding. can see, push it aside so you can make room. And you want to just go ahead and finish shredding your papaya so that you can store it in a bag or Tupperware in the fridge and keep it whenever you need it, you bring it out. I have my papaya, shredded papaya, in the fridge for like 3 weeks to a month one time, and guess what? It didn't go bad. It was still good. For some reason, it holds its texture for a very long time. And you know, I know that most people, when they have digestive problems, they eat the papaya sauce and then their problems are fixed. At least that's a true story for me and my husband. So, shredding, shredding, shredding. Yeah, once it gets smaller, you can fit into your hand. You can just put it in the palm of your hand and continue to shred, just like this. Okay. How are you guys doing? I think this is the part that takes the longest, but once you have it done, do you see this part here? Okay, you're getting to the inner core, so we can't keep on shredding that side, we'll just keep on moving on. See? And you don't want your seeds to be in your papaya salad because it does taste bitter and it's not good. So I'm going to stop right there. It's enough because I don't want the seed to fall out. See, it just did. Here's the papaya seed. You know, it's funny that with the seeds, I've been using it to sticking in the ground and watch it grow, and it has grown. So we've done a couple of papaya trees, and sad thing is the winter came and it didn't last, but at least it made into like a tall tree as tall as I am. So never know what you can plant in your garden. All right, so that's how you shred papaya. Okay, at least that's how I do it. There's many other different versions, but I find this the easiest way. So there you go.